Hello students, let us continue with our next topic, that is limitations of planning. Planning, we have studied that it is thinking in advance. Whenever we will think in advance, definitely there will be some problems, some limitations. The first limitation among these is planning leads to rigidity. Students, before going through this concept, remember these all points are the 3 marks question. Either features are there or merits are there as well as limitations are there. So first limitation is planning leads to rigidity. Rigidity means which can't be changed. कई बार कोई आपकी बात नहीं मानता ना, तो वी यूज टू से बहुत ही रिजिड बिहेवियर है, चेंज नहीं होता. देन हाउ प्लानिंग इज रिजिड? Because whatever is being decided, it is to be done in the same framework. Whatever is being decided, planning we have decided in advance, and the employees, those they have to execute this planning, they have to do within the same course of action. Now planning is being done by the senior manager, but it is to be implemented by the person lower to it. That means a superior plans and subordinate applies, but the conditions under which that plans are to be applied may not be the same which was assumed by the manager. So it becomes a problem for those who are to implement the plan. And sometimes it happens that we have planned and that plan became success for us. And when the next time we used to plan for the same thing, we take the same plan and do accordingly. But now the conditions are being changed. So sometimes circumstances do not favor you to apply the same plan or pre-decided plan. And in this way, planning leads to rigidity. Planning may not work in the dynamic environment. This can be very much understood in nowadays concern. Do in the beginning of session we have thought that हम इस तरह से पढ़ रहे होंगे. We have planned that in the month of February we will be having the exams, and in the month of March we will start for our class 12th, as well as we will complete our this much syllabus up to May. And जो लास्ट ईयर की ड्रॉबैक्स रही हैं उस ड्रॉबैक्स को हम इस साल रिमूव करेंगे. बट द एनवायरमेंट इज टोटली चेंज. it was not possible for we people to look into future. अगर हमें पता होता कि फ्यूचर हमारा ऐसा आने वाला है तो शायद हमारी प्लानिंग कुछ और होती. So it becomes very difficult to accurately assess the future environment, and when it is not accessible, then how the policies can be framed, how the conditions can be modified. So planning may not work in the dynamic environment. Competition in the market can also upset our every kind of plan. Plan may be in sense of finance also. Plan may be in the terms of our sales targets also. So planning cannot foresee everything. Yes, again and again I am saying planning cannot foresee everything, but the future losses or risk can be minimized with the help of planning. Planning reduces creativity. आपको किया कराया, आपको फिक्स एक प्लान मिल गया, you have to just implement to this plan. No one is permitting you to deviate from these plans, nor you are permitted to act on your own. तो आपके माइंड में जो आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, जब उनको बाहर निकलने का रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा, तो what will happen at after some time, that your mind will stop working. You will not be able to show your initiative or your creativity uh, among the different people, or you will not be able to apply your creativity on your workings. So planning reduces the creativity because the people have to work on the same line as given by the others. Planning involves huge cost. How planning involves huge cost? Because while planning, a lots of analysis is to be done. While analyzing, the time and other costs are also involved, because some standards are to be checked, some data is to be checked. So lots of money is being involved in while during the planning, while calculating some facts and figures. And it's okay, we have spent the money, we have spent the time as well as money, but still will it be useful for us? ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि जो मैंने खर्चा किया वो मुझे उतने बेनिफिट्स ना दे जितने मुझे खर्चा करने पर चाहिए. So cost incurred sometimes may not justify the benefits. So when a question will be there that how the planning involves the huge cost, you have to write these underlined lines, that while doing planning, lots of time and money is being spent, and what may happen that this cost may not justify the benefits derived from the plans, and lots of expenses like boardroom meetings are to be done. The examiner will find these words in your solutions, in your answers. If she will get these words in your answer, then she will assign you marks, full marks. Otherwise, the chances are that they will not provide you the full marks. Planning is time consuming. ये तो भी हमने किया ही है. That while we are planning, see, when the school is going to plan for your first term exam or unit test test, a person sits for longer duration, calculates how many students can be occupied in a room, how many benches are needed. This is just a one-off example. और इन सबको कैलकुलेट करने में टाइम लग रहा है. इट्स ओके. तो प्लानिंग इज ए टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस. नेक्स्ट वन इज प्लानिंग डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस. Planning does not guarantee success in the way that you are a master. You have done your plans, you have fixed your plans in very effective way. But the conditions change. That's why that the plan will not guarantee you success. But the condition is something other. That if a manager is there and he is working in the same field, and while working in the same field, that he relies on previously tried plans which are being successful for the longer years, but now the conditions are changed, or we are sitting by we are sitting by thinking that कि अरे मैंने पिछले साल भी इसी तरह से काम किया था, अब भी when the conditions will come, I will do accordingly. लेकिन what happens, कंडीशंस एकदम से चेंज हो जाती हैं. जब कंडीशंस एकदम से चेंज हो गई तो you will be failing to rely on the previously settled plans or previously succeeded plans. तो प्लानिंग प्रोवाइड्स ए फॉल्स सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी कि हाँ मैंने प्लान कर लिया, अब जो है वो लिटिल बिट चांसेस or there are no chances to failure, there definitely I will be succeeded. So this is the limitation which can be asked in the sense that how the plans provide the false sense of security. So you have to give that plan, these are already decided, and sometime managers they rely on the previously tried and tested successful plans which may not work in the dynamic conditions. So planning does not guarantee success.